Hey, what's up everybody? This is C.L.S. All-in-One. Today I'll show you how to make some concrete bomb beam blocks using just regular concrete blocks. What I'm holding right now is a bomb beam block I purchased from Menards for right around $3. And I also purchased some regular blocks for about $1.50 each. And unfortunately, what happened in my situation is Menards didn't have enough bomb beam blocks in stock for me to finish my basement. And if I was to order any, it would have been at least a 3-week delay. So I decided to just make my own, and in the process, I actually saved a little bit of money as well. But it does require a little bit of extra work, but it's pretty easy to do. So what I'm using here is a 4.5-inch angle grinder with a concrete blade. And here's a quick look at the type of blade I'm using. This is nothing special, and it does the job just fine. So what I'm doing here is making 2 cuts on the inside walls of each block, and making my cuts as deep as the blade will allow me to go. And to make the process go even faster, you can line up multiple blocks in a row and cut everything at the same time, just like this. And it'd probably be a good idea to wear some eye protection, and a mask would probably be a good idea as well, although I didn't wear one here. So I'm gonna let the dust clear here for just a few seconds, and then we'll cut the other side. So same thing here, just the opposite side. And this actually goes pretty fast. Once you get the hang of this, you can bust out a bunch of blocks at a pretty fast pace. Now that I have all my cuts made, it's time to knock out the small section of block located in between the cuts. And for this, you can use a bricklayer hammer, which works great because it has nice square edges that help break the block easier. And when I'm breaking the block with the hammer, I try to aim about 2.5 inches down in between the cuts with the hammer at an angle so the metal corner breaks the block easier. And this might take a little bit of practice to get used to, and you might have some mistakes happen as well. Here's a good tip for you. When you're breaking the blocks, always try to hit towards the middle of the block when you can, otherwise you might break that block in areas where you don't want it to break. In the end, this ends up giving me about a 4-inch wide by 3-inch deep opening, which is plenty of room for me to set my horizontal sticks of rebar in. And if needed, you could use a bigger saw with a larger blade to make those cuts even deeper. And if you're looking to make a corner bomb beam block, it's the same routine. You just want to figure out where you want it to exit, then make your cuts with your saw, then knock out the section in between with your hammer, and you have a corner bomb beam block. And here's a quick look at some of the building process for this basement block wall. And I will have some other videos coming out about this block wall here in the future as well. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. This is C.L.S. All-in-One. If you want to hear more from me, please like and subscribe. And to see more of my videos, just click any of these categories to see more.